This is Diana and welcome to Crafted Sweetly. In this video I will show you how to do book folding with a multicolored design. So this is a shadow fold that I've done before, but I'm going to do the top portion a different color than the bottom. You can watch my other video with shadow folding that was done in all black, but this is what I will be doing in this video. The heads will be up to the top portion will be all black, and then for the bottom portion I'm going to do each letter a different color. That way you can see the design and how I achieved this. To learn about the shadow fold, I do have a link above so that you can see the detailed directions for that portion. So we'll need to measure the top portion so that I can cut the cardstock, because I'll be coloring this with cardstock. So I'm measuring the top portion of it to see how long of a strip I need for the portrait area. Once you measure that, that's how many you'll need to cut out cardstock for this section. And this is the perfect time to use up the scraps from other paper projects. You don't need it to be very wide. It's like 1 centimeter, half a centimeter works, because you really will only see the edge. So I'm using cardstock from other projects that I've done. Once you cut out the strips, you'll have, and they're to the length that I need them already. So these are the strips that I will be using to color the top portion of it. And if you're coloring the entire page the same color, then obviously the strip is going to be pretty much the height of your book. And I'm only attaching the strips to the parts where the tabs are, where the folds are. So the skipped pages don't get anything. So I'll apply a little bit of glue to the wider tabs. You don't really need to do it for the skinny ones. And then you need to make sure that the black strip is underneath all the folded tabs. And then once you have it in and it's completely to the edge, then I just press down to make sure that it sticks well. If you have a wider tab in the middle, you can apply some glue to that as well. But the skinny ones don't get any glue. I just don't want the glue to ooze out and then glue the pages together. So once you do that for all the pages, you can see that the top portion is all black and you've achieved, you can see the nice portrait. Now the bottom, I'm going to do different colors. And I'll just use colors, bright colors, so they show up better. I cut out strips, again based on the height that I needed for this section of the book. And I'm using the pink for the first letter, and that's going to have to be taller. So I have long strips for that area. And then the other letters are shorter, so I'll use shorter strips for that. And you can see, make sure that it covers the letter. And these colors were inspired by their Sgt. Pepper album, which has these colors in their outfits. To help with where the letters stop and you don't have to keep flipping back and forth, I put little markers in between all the letters so that I know once I get to that marker, I need to change color. So you can just use whatever type of bookmark you want to mark the pages up to where you're going to do one color and then switching to another one. Once you've done that, I will do the same process that I did with the black strips, applying some glue at the top and the bottom, and any tabs that are extra wide, I'll apply some glue. So once you apply the glue, then you can put in the color, appropriate color for each letter. And there you have the bee applying the pink cardstock strips. Now we'll change color and then do the E and repeat the process with whatever color choices you want to do. So there you have your project, black at the top and then the multicolored at the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much and see you next time.